Hey, this is Gregory with the Friday Forge, and this week we're going to show you how to apply gold leaf to wood.
Let me fly towards my hands, towards my hands.
After carving and sanding the wood, you'll want to apply the sealer. This will prevent the adhesive from seeping into the wood. You'll want to use a thin coat of this Mona Lisa sealer. You definitely do not want to have any pooling, because then it will take longer to dry. After making your thin coat, you'll want to wait 30 minutes before you apply the adhesive. Now we'll apply the adhesive. Like the sealer, you'll want to make a thin coat. Though, I have to admit mentally this doesn't seem right to me. I tend to lay it on a bit thick so I don't have to do multiple coats of gold leaf, though in this instance I ended up applying 2 coats. Time for the fun part. After waiting about an hour just to get to the payoff, we finally get to apply the gold leaf. Lay down the leaf however you see fit. In my experience, you do not have to lay the gold leaf flat. The smoothness of the leaf depends on how smooth your sanding was, rather than how you lay it down. This is a different type of gold leaf that I've used in the past. Personally, I hate it. Just look at the leaf explode. It's as if they put glitter on rice paper and said, "Thank you for your money, enjoy cleaning this mess up." My wife was really not happy about it. Just look at my hands. After the leaf is dried overnight, you'll want to sand it to your desired grit to get rid of excess leaf. In this instance, for this chessboard, I use 320 grit. Let's make that gold leaf shine. Apply the finish of your choosing. Here I'm adding de-wax shellac, followed by 2 coats of clear gloss lacquer, but you can use what you like. I know I said earlier that I hate this gold leaf, and while that still remains true, the vibrancy of this color is undeniable, and because of that, I recommend this leaf, and I'll still use it in future products that require a colored